Hey, hello again, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. Welcome back again to my channel. And ito, si Aga si King. Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, magmamarathon ako ng Simbahang Lubog.
Ito ang simbahang lubog ng Norzagaray, Bulacan.
Ito nga yun, no?
Tinawag siyang lubog sa kadahilanang tinayo siya na hindi kaparehas ng level ng normal na lupa. At ayon sa nasagap kong impormasyon, ay matagal na siyang tinayo, either late 1800s or early 1900s, at mahigit isang dekada ng abandonado ang simbahang ito.
Reaction, Hulto Edition, sumigaw buong bahay, full transmission. Kung kinilabutan ka, click subscription. Rewind, paasa, apparition.
Ngayon, nabalitaan ko na may mga negative energy daw dito at madalas nakakaranas ng sigaw, paglalakad at ligaw na kaluluwa sa pagsapit ng gabi. At ngayong gabi, lilibutin namin to ni Steve kasama ang iba sa Team Choi at aalamin kung ano nga ba talaga ang meron dito sa Simbahang Lubog. Gusto lang po namin malaman kung meron po kaming kasama dito ngayon. Oh,
Music bar just went off. Yeah, just went behind that.
it's like a body. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know. Oh.
Gusto lang namin malaman if tao ka ba or hindi.
What the
If we go outside, will you harm us?
Oh!
Just say you.
Yeah, man!
Just say you.
Basta natatakot lang ako.
Bago tayo magsimula ay alamin muna natin kung ano nga ba ang mga kababalaghan sa lugar na to. Kailan po to binuo?
Ala pa ako dyan eh. Meron na. Lumating ako dyan. Ganyan na yan.
So siguro mga 1800s pa to, no?
Pare.
1900s.
Kasi nung dumating ako dyan, meron talaga nagpupunta riyan. Sumasamba sila.
Maayos pa po yun.
Ayos pa.
Kailan po na-abandonado to?
Mga 10 years siguro eh. Ala na eh.
Mga 10 taon, isang dekada
10 years na pala yan. Kailan ba yun? 2 years.
na.
Oo.
May mga pumapasok pa ba po dyan sa loob?
Ala na.
For the past 10 years.
Narinig ko naman kasi dyan, meron daw silang binubuhat dyan. Tapos maganda daw sa una nung ano raw, hindi na nila buhat, bigat na raw.
Ano po yung binubuhat nila?
Altar daw eh ka.
Tapos biglang bumibigat na altar.
Kasi hindi naman ako napupunta pag madaling araw din eh.
Wala pong pupunta dito.
Ala.
Ngayon pa lang ay inuunahan ko na kayo na dito sa exploration na to ay magkakaroon kami ng hindi inaasahang encounter sa demonyo. Ngayon nandito na tayo at gabi na.
Ayan yung nakakatakot, yung mga demonic entities.
Kasama ko si Steve, kasama ko si Ed, at kasama ko ang mga kapatid ni Rick, si Morns, tsaka si Roma. At lilibutin na namin ngayon itong simbahan na to. Ngayon pa lang guys, sobrang dilim na sa paligid. Wala talagang ilaw and as early as now, I can feel a different vibe here. Hindi ko mapakita pero ginugoosebumps na ako. Pero mamaya mas malalaman pa natin kung anong storya nito kasi gagamit tayo ng mga ghost equipments. So are you excited?
Oh, I'm really excited for this.
The last time we did
The
the
paranormal investigation.
paranormal thing, I got a little bit shocked.
At the river, yeah.
Yeah, at
that
the
was
river.
the first time though.
Yeah, but now, I'm gonna redeem myself.
Yeah.
So, guys, hindi ko muna sinamang ibang Team Choi kasi ang gagawin namin ay next level na paranormal investigation. Kaya, samahan nyo kami.
Grabe talaga yung paranormal nito ni Agustin eh, no?
Sa paglalakad pa lang namin sa simbahan ay mas naintindihan namin kung bakit ito naging abandonado. Okay guys, ngayon, makikita nyo kung gaano kadilim dito sa lugar na to. Pag gabi, hindi mo mapapansin na may simbahan talaga. Steve, can you turn off the light for me? Yan. Hindi mo mapapansin na may simbahan kasi talagang puro talahiban lang at forest yung makikita nyo. But when you turn on the light, you can see na meron talagang simbahan na abandonado na sa loob. So what can you say about this, Steve? So far?
It's definitely an interesting place. Like, I love how
Si Steve Ronin ba to?
it looks, to be honest. I love
Yeah.
how it's overgrown. I love how there's like steps just leading you down to a church.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen that before.
Yeah, because it's a sunken church.
Yeah.
At nang palapit pa lang kami sa simbahan, ay nagsimula na agad magiba ang pakiramdam sa paligid. Steve, can you feel that? The more we get closer to
Yeah,
the church.
I can feel like
Yeah.
something negative.
Yeah.
May nararamdaman agad sila, oh.
Like,
Exactly.
I'm starting to get goosebumps now.
Can you feel that, Ed?
Oh, sorry. Parang mabigat.
Oo. Oh my God. Habang lumalapit kami sa simbahan ay sunod-sunod na agad ang pagpaparamdam na para ba kaming binabalaan. Steve, this is the
What's
man.
that? I thought I heard like some scratches.
Okay, okay.
Bro, the
Sabi
mood
po,
just
sir.
changed so much.
Kanina ko pa tinitignan dun eh. Tapos parang hindi ako makatingin dun. Basta natatakot lang ako.
So, guys, kanina nagsushoot kami ni Steve sa camera niya. Habang nagsushoot kami, we heard some giggling, but we can feel it. No, stop doing that.
maybe I caught that on camera. That was just a weird sound just
Yeah,
now
like
coming from the
screaming.
inside, or like some giggling noise.
What did you hear, Steve? Like
Some giggling noise. Like,
inside,
Yeah.
dun pa lang. As soon as we went to the place, nag-iiba
Giggling sounds na parang nanginginig. O nanggigigil.
yung vibe. Pero ngayon, we're gonna go inside. So, huwag na tayo magpaligo-ligoy pa. Let's go inside.
let's go.
Let's go. Kaya nagsimula muna kaming magdasal at humingi ng kaligtasan para sa bawat isa. So ngayon guys, sisimula muna kami sa labas bago kami pumasok sa loob. As you can see dito sa labas, punong-puno ng mga grass. At dito may isang CR ata to, no? It's also abandoned na rin. Nang nagpapaliwanag ako dito, ay biglang pumasok si Steve sa loob ng simbahan nang hindi niya namamalayan.
Damn, guys. What the heck? What was that?
Steve, why you went inside already?
I don't know, man.
So, ito
It
na.
just lured me in, bro.
What?
Yeah, bro. I don't know. I can't explain it. I just walked right in there. I thought I like
Holy
just forgot about everything.
Oh my God.
Yeah. It's just I don't know. Like
Like it's inviting you.
yeah, I was just so focused. Yeah, I thought you guys were behind me too. I didn't know I was walking in there by myself.
Yeah, you were.
Oh shit.
You didn't realize we're
No.
not with you?
No.
Hindi pa namin naiintindihan ng mga warnings sa mga oras na to, pero mamaya sa dulo ay mas maiintindihan nyo kung bakit. Bago po kami pumasok, we mean no harm. Nandito lang kami para maglipot po, i-check yung place. Sana po wala po masamang mangyari. Nirespeto po namin yung place nyo at wala po kaming masamang hangarin or masamang balak po na gawin dito sa loob. Thank you
After you, bro.
po. Sorry po. Okay. Oh, wow. So, makikita nyo guys, hindi siya yung masyadong malaking church. I think good for mga 50-80 persons, kasya dito. Pagpasok mo sa loob, makikita mo talaga na it's very abandoned na wala na talagang pumunta dito, wala nang nakatira dito, wala nang dumadaan, wala nang naglilinis masyado. Based on sa mga tiles, sa mga ganyan.
Everything's still pretty like intact.
Paano may maglilinis dyan? Pag pumunta ka nga dyan, creepy na eh, no? Paano kaya yung mga ordinaryong taong takot na takot na walang alam sa paranormal, di ba?
Especially
Yeah.
this over here, the
But
cross.
you can see that no one's been here for a long
Yeah,
time.
for sure, man.
Okay, so ikutin muna natin yung lugar guys. Here may kita nyo sofa, mga gamit dati nung pinagtiran dito. Dito si
Kita mo nga yung mga gamit, di na pinagkukuha eh. Sa sobrang takot nila eh. Sa sobrang takot nila ah. Kaya wala nang tatangka maglinis din sa abandonadong simbahang lubog na yun.
siguro baka may mga alaga, mga manok, no? Oh. Ba't ganun? May mga dolls, sirang dolls na dito.
Manika na naman no.
Ito, hindi ko alam, Choy.
Dude, is that a doll?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's like a voodoo.
yeah.
Nakakatakot talaga pag manika, lalo na yung mga Annabelle. Ni.
Voodoo, bro. That's creepy, man.
Yeah, who's taking a doll here to an abandoned church? You know what I mean?
Exactly.
It's a little bit strange.
Yeah.
And look, it took the body apart, like the head's gone too.
So, meron ditong mga dolls na sira-sira na. There's even
Yeah,
slingshot.
slingshot.
There's
Oh,
even a
that's sick.
slingshot. Wow.
That's cool.
There's even a doll here.
Do kids come here to play with their toys?
Why would kids come here?
Yeah, I know.
In the middle of the forest, man.
Yeah.
So, kind of weird, guys. Siguro either pwedeng may naglalaro dito or something else that's going on. Another toy here, Steve.
Ano, daming manika oh.
Oh, yeah.
There's lots of toys here.
Yeah, so many. Yeah.
Oh. So dito, I think this is a room. Kuya Ray, ano po ito dati? Itong pwestong to? Kwarto?
Parang kwarto yan.
Kwarto ng mga...
Yung mga takong siguro pupunta riyan. Yung may nagpupunta kasi dito dati, mga nagsasamba sila riyan. Baka diyan sila namamahinga. Gano'n.
Ah, okay. Parang resting room siya. So here you can see stairs. So siguro iniwan na lang ata yung mga gamit dito, no? Hanggang ngayon di pa kinukuha. Ah, so may dumadaan pa rin dito sa umaga.
Oo, may dumadaan pa rin dyan kasi nung pumunta si Master Gala dyan ng maaga, meron pa silang nakasalubong, di ba?
It's like I saw something pass by. Para may nakita akong dumaan doon, Choy. Dito, dyan. Ito mismo, dyan. Itong sa may manukan, o sa may wall, parang gumanon. Imposible makita ko siya kanina kasi naka-off yung flashlight ko, tapos lahat kayo dito nakatutok eh. So pag
May dumaan daw oh.
ano ko, parang maliwanag yung ganon. Seryoso? Oo, seryoso.
Tandaan ng pangyayaring ito dahil konektado yan sa mga kaganapan mamaya. Anyway, check muna natin to. So, ito, as you can see, merong si Jesus na nasa cross. Siyempre, church nga sa mosque. Dito, guys, mga damit at mga toys. May mga pambata pa. Ang daming toys. Ayan o, may mga damit, mga toys, mga bags. Pwede siyang donations eh. Pero hindi ko sure. Comment down nyo na lang kung ano sa tingin nyo. Pero ang dami dito sa likod. Let's go down. So dito naman guys, it's the same room as the other one. Same structure lang. More on pretty much the same. Kaso nga lang dito, may kakaiba kaming napansin.
Baka sinigan nila yan, yan.
Ano, malambot ba? So dito may mga
Baka kaya ginagawang basura ka na lang yan. Kaya ganyan.
sinunog na damit. Bakit kaya may susunugin ng damit? Sinunog.
Nila kailangan, kaya...
Ba't dyan sila sa loob ng simbahan magsusunod?
Pwedeng itapon na lang, ano? Napansin nila na may mga sunog na damit dito. Di namin alam kung bakit sinunog yung damit. Alam nilang sinunog kasi yung apoy umabot hanggang dito sa taas. Yung itim niya dyan. So much mystery going on at nakaka-curious lang at the same time.
Ayaw mo wala ng kulabot ko. Nangingilabot pa rin ako.
Yung nakita mo kanina,
Paano pa kaya ako? Naduduwag-duwag? Tapos pupunta sa ganyan. Sila mga paranormal na yan, ha?
Oo. At saka, basta, iba yung pakiramdam.
ibang pakiramdam, no?
Diba?
So ngayon, tapos na kami
Ako duwag ako, pero wala ako nararamdaman. Alam mo, natatakot na ako dahil sa mga kwento.
mag-explore. The place is not too big.
Yeah, no,
But you know what I found? There's a lot of mysteries in the place. Like,
yeah, there is.
in one room, there was like clothes burned.
Oh.
I don't know why they burned the clothes.
Yeah, I know. I saw that too.
You saw that too, right there,
Yeah.
right? And then the dolls.
The dolls is weird, all broken up,
It could be
pieces.
there's a kid playing here because there's lots of kid stuff, or it could be something else. So it's kind of mysterious for me. Ngayong tapos na tayo maglibot, ay simulan na natin ang paranormal investigation. We're gonna explain
Ito na, magpa-paranormal investigation na sila.
kung ano yung mga gamit itong dala namin ngayon. First, we have the EMF.
Classic.
Alam niyo na to, ilang beses ko na ginawa to. So it detects electromagnetic frequency.
Hey,
Ay, bro.
bro.
I just
Ang lakas naman na pumipitik agad, oh.
opened it.
Yeah,
shit,
it's
man.
It's going off, huh? It's going to orange.
Oh my God. And then we have the RAM pod.
You just place it on the floor, and then like you have an antenna that you put here. Whatever, if like a spirit can go up to it, it will start making noises.
Making noises.
Yeah.
So, it's also a way to detect entities. And this is the music box. If ever may dumaan sa harap, mag-iingay siya. And last one, we have this one.
You don't really see these a lot in paranormal investigation
Yeah.
videos, but this is one of my favorite things to use. I've used it before. Yeah, so we just place it like right there, for example.
Yeah.
And if there's a spirit, you will see like
Shadow.
they'll block. the
Diba
lights.
nakikita nyo yung stars ngayon, guys? If ever may humarang or may pumatong sa stars na yan, it means there's something. So let's set it up. Dito, sinet-up na namin lahat ng paranormal equipments namin ni Steve.
Creepy shit, bro.
At iniligay namin sa iba't ibang sulok ng simbahan.
Ayan na, ang dami nilang equipment, so.
At nang matapos na kami, oras na magsimula. Okay guys, so magsisimula na kami. Hello po, ako nga po pala si Agassi.
Hi, my name is Steve.
And hi, my name is Edric.
Now we can begin.
Gusto lang po namin malaman kung meron po kaming kasama dito ngayon. Kasi nabalitaan po namin matagal nang abandonado tong chapel na to. Kung meron po mga kami kasama ngayon, kaya nyo pa po pagalawin yung kahit ano sa equipments namin. Meron kaming music box dito, REM pod, and music box. Ang kailangan nyo lang po gawin is dadaan lang po kayo sa harap nila. So far, no.
I'll ask a question.
Okay, try.
If there's any spirits here, can you make a knock, make a sound? Or if you want, there's a lot of equipment that we put place for you guys. You guys can play around with it. You can go up to it. And it will let us know that you're here with us.
So far, none.
It's a waiting game. We have to be patient.
Alright. Earlier, the device hit 3 lights.
Yeah.
So I think earlier they have someone in here. So maybe we can invite someone.
You gotta think about it, like they're new to us.
Yeah.
So maybe they're shy, you
Yeah.
know? So you're not always gonna get a response so quickly. Although there've been times when we did, right? But we'll just have to wait a little bit. If you're here, feel free to come in. You can walk right through the doors on the side of this building. You can come join us, sit with us. We would love to learn about this place,
Ayan na, magpaparanormal na sila.
more from you.
Makalipas ang ilang minuto na wala kaming nakuwang response, ay dito biglang may na-detect ang REM pad namin sa mismong lugar kung saan nakakita si Edric kanina.
Tumunog na yung rempad.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, REM pod's going off.
Alright.
Ang creepy.
Exactly kung saan nakakita si Ed. That's the exact spot. Okay. Okay.
Wait, what the
Yeah.
Did
Can
you
you see
see
that?
that from there?
Yeah.
Right
Here.
there?
Nakuha mo na mo, Choy? Yeah. Hey,
Whoa,
that's not me, bro.
that's not us.
There's the space. Nakikita nyo guys sa may tabi, sa left side nung statue.
You okay?
Ayun o.
Yeah, you noticed that too, right?
There's nothing there. It's not me.
Well, you can see like some of the lights just
Yeah.
disappear. Yeah, right there.
Ayun o.
Yeah, you
Oh
see
my
it?
God.
Ang creepy.
Yeah.
Holy sh**.
What the?
Ano? Gumagalaw siya dito. Ayun guys, ito.
Oh, wait. Yeah, it just went behind that.
So
It's going to the room with the ashes.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, it's moving again.
Yeah, point over there, because no one's blocking it, you see? No one's blocking it right now.
Okay guys, kung napansin nyo, gumagalaw yung ilaw. Hanggang ngayon, may gumalaw na papunta dito. Simula dun sa REM pod na umingay, dire-diretso dito, papunta dun sa mga bagay kung saan may sinunog na ano. Tapos wala kaming ginagalaw kasi yung light, andyan lang siya the whole time, sa likod. Okay bro, this is getting interesting. Salamat sa presence nyo. Kaya nyo pa bang pagalawin ang iba pa naming equipments para lang mapalaman na nandito kayo? Ginalaw nyo na yung REM pod. Pwede
Ano pag gagalaw dyan?
bagalawin yung iba. Either itong REM pad na to, yung EMF ni Steve, or kahit anong music box.
Yeah, maybe this spirit doesn't like to talk, but we caught it with the laser grid,
Yeah.
right?
Maybe it doesn't want to communicate. Okay guys, so nakakuha kami kanina ng konting movement. Gumalaw sa REM pod, gumalaw dito, pumunta sa kwarto. Pero after nun, nawala na ulit. Like Steve said, may mga certain entities na ayaw makipag-communicate daw. So, we'll just wait. Hindi namin sure kung ayaw niya or nahihiya lang siya. Pero ngayon maghihintay kami at itatry namin yung spirit box para mas maging malinaw. Ngayon itatry ko rin muna yung ghost tube. It's like a body.
Etong ghost tube, hindi ko gaano to eh. Kasi sinabi ni Boss Rino, for entertainment lang niya to eh. Hindi ko na alam kung legit yan or hindi eh.
Just laying down.
Pero feeling ko legit ginagago lang ni Boss Rino yan. Kasi yan kita mo sila mga expert yan pero gumagamit ng ghost tube.
On
Yeah.
the floor.
There's a body here.
Pero to ghost tube, tinatry ko sa bahay, sumasagot-sagot din eh.
Okay. Steve, can you move to your...
What was that?
Oh.
The music box just went off.
Okay. So guys, gumalaw yung music box ngayon lang. I told you we need to wait. You just need to have to be patient. And we detect something dito na parang katawan na nakahiga. Okay, so may dumadaan-daan na. It's getting late. At makalipas ang ilang pang minuto, ay dito hindi kami makapaniwala sa naranasan namin. Panoorin mabuti.
Spirit box?
Yeah, let's do the spirit box.
Alright. Oh, what the
Oh,
Which one was that?
I think it's here.
Yeah, it's that one right there.
Yeah, 2 times already.
Bro, from different sides,
Yeah.
Wait, where the
Oh. It's umiilaw.
It's that one.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
It's still going. What the
Oh my gosh.
What's it
Oh
detecting?
my gosh. I know, bro. There's nothing there.
Are you out there right now?
Kaya nga wala naman daw eh.
You can come in.
Hindi kayo mabaho dyan.
Oh my gosh.
Paano kaya nasikmuraan ni Boss Rino magmukbang dyan?
That's crazy.
Bro. And it wasn't doing that for the past like 30 minutes.
Bro, that's
Something is standing right there.
Yeah. May tao dyan mismo. Guys, tuloy-tuloy gumagalaw yung music box.
Let me get the laser grid.
Point the laser here, Steve. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Alright, boys.
Alis ng flash.
Wait.
There are lights that are not on.
Some, like right in the middle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God, ba't galaw ng galaw? Steve, can you see? There's a space on the left side. Is that you?
That's not me. Nothing's blocking this, bro.
Guys, gumagalaw siya sunod-sunod ngayon. Oh, eto Steve, on the left side. Is that you?
No, bro.
Oh my gosh, it's still moving, bro. It's probably saying that it's here.
Yeah. But why is it not coming in? Oh, actually.
Is this a church?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Maybe since it's like a sacred place, it can't come in here. Maybe if it's a
Yeah.
evil spirit, right?
Yeah.
Then it can't enter.
Yeah. So guys, kung napapanood nyo, talaga ngayon tumutunog pa rin siya. Walang kahit anong tao dyan. Nag-set up kami for mga 40 minutes na hanggang ngayon gumagalaw pa rin siya. Oh. Walang tao dyan. So probably meron ditong something sa labas. Pero ang dilemma is hindi siya makapasok at yun yung
Yeah, it's gone.
still there, still there. Hindi namin alam kung bakit hindi pumapasok. Kasi nagde-detect, ibig sabihin na... Oh my God, that's so crazy. It's still there, Steve.
It can get in.
Yeah, probably. Gagi.
Dang.
Oh, it's not there anymore. Oh, it's still there. Pagkasabi ko na it's not there, oh, andyan bigla tumunog. Napagtanto namin na posibleng hindi makapasok ang entity, kaya dumadaan-daan lang sa music box at nakikipaglaro sa amin. Kaya naisipan namin,
Maybe get the spirit box out and let's talk in front of it.
yeah. Let's go. We're gonna try the spirit box. Let's see if we can get some words.
But dude, I got an idea. Because like it seems like it's afraid to come inside here, you're gonna have to use the spirit box like near the door. You know what I mean?
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
Outside?
You're gonna do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna redeem myself.
Yeah.
Kaya dito ginamit na namin ang spirit box at nakakakilabot ang mga susunod na pangyayari.
We would just like to know if you're
Ayan na, spirit box. Di ba yun yung nagsasalita?
human or not.
No. Did it just say no?
That's fast.
Gusto lang namin malaman if tao ka ba or hindi.
I think that's hindi.
Hindi raw tao.
That's hindi. May dahilan ba kung bakit hindi ka makapasok?
Yeah. Can you speak English? Do you know English?
I think it's not communicating well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I said yeah.
Yeah. It said yeah.
Can you tell us how many spirits are here with us right now?
One?
One.
I think I heard one.
Yeah. Are you the same spirit that was in front of this entrance? And if so, can you come back here?
Depende! What the f***?
What does that
What
mean?
the f***?
Hindi ko narinig yung tinanong nila. Ano ba yung tinanong nila?
And if so, can you come back here?
Depende daw.
Depende! What the f***?
What does that mean?
What the f***? Holy shit!
Depends
Oh,
what?
oh my God! Ang linaw nun! So you can speak Tagalog. Can you ask again?
Depends what though? Is there something you want us to do?
Sa inyo something like that. Can you repeat that? What was our question again?
I guess,
Oh,
what?
I'm a demon? Something like that?
Yeah, something like that.
Bro, that's why I can't enter this space.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I heard correctly, but
But I hope it's not a demon.
yeah, but it sounded like that.
Are you evil?
Keep it going.
To be honest, I thought it said keep me company at first.
It can be that too.
Yeah.
Do you want to hurt us?
What the? That was like an evil laugh, right?
Meron ko pa bang gustong sabihin sa amin?
Oh wow.
Something like that. Didiretsuhin ko na kayo.
Didiretsuhin daw.
Means, I'm gonna be frank.
Do you want us to be here?
Oh!
Minura sila.
You?
Yeah, man!
Just said
Oh! Oh! And the laugh!
the same laugh too.
Yeah!
I'm laughing.
Oh my gosh! I think he doesn't want us.
Yeah. Dude, you know why?
Why?
He probably wants us outside
Yeah,
the church,
yeah.
right? If we go outside, will you harm us?
Pag lumabas ba kami dito, sasaktan niyo ba kami? They're just playing like choir voices. I think it's playing with us.
I think,
Like angels choir.
yeah. I think it just doesn't want to communicate, but it said a few
Yeah.
words, right?
Maybe it's mocking the church.
Yeah.
Matapos nun ay hindi na nagbigay ng malinaw na sagot ang kausap namin na tila ba parang pinaglalaruan na lang kami.
I don't know, it just it doesn't communicate now,
Yeah,
right?
it's just playing. At nung pagtingin namin sa labas, ay ito ang nakita namin.
You know what happened?
Gumagalaw yung mga sanga. Baka may hangin dyan.
Oh, yeah!
What?
Bro, look at the dahon.
Whoa, what the?
It's still moving, left and right.
It's the only one that's moving.
Right.
A while ago it was stronger.
Oh my God.
So maybe something's there?
Just the one.
Kanina, swing
Ang lakas talaga.
Nakuha na mo.
Pero siya lang yung gumagalaw. It's the only one that's moving.
Yeah.
Ngayong isipin mo, lahat ng napansin ni Ed, yung gumalaw ngayon, yung may nagparamdam doon, lahat sa labas. Everything is outside, bro. What do you think, Steve?
I just don't feel like it wants to talk to us.
Yeah.
But it feels like it could be like not even a human spirit.
Yeah, kasi based on what Edric and you asked, I don't think it's a human.
And it seems like
It explains why it can't come inside. So the thing is our safety when we go out here, bro.
yeah, for sure.
I think we should pray.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Ed, what do you think?
Yung safety rin natin naisip ko, Choy. That's all I'm worried about. The
Yeah.
safety outside.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
it's like mocking us.
Yeah.
Saying F you.
Yeah, I
You
can't
said that,
believe
right?
it. Yeah.
Yeah. So I guess, what do you think? Shall we finish or we could do some more?
I think we got enough evidence.
I think we should pray.
Yeah, we should pray. I believe this place has like something, not maybe inside, but outside.
In the area. No?
In the area.
Because
Yeah.
so far, in the inside, isa lang ang napansin namin. We just had one experience in our, I think, 2 hours. But what's weird is yung sunod-sunod na pag-aano dito. It's like someone is warning us na I'm here. If you go out, I'm gonna get you. So, something like that. So parang may nagbababala sa amin sa labas at nung tinry namin tong spirit box is naging tama yung mga iniisip namin dahil based on sa answers, the answers are precise with the questions. And at the same time, I told you when we were out, di ba? When as I go nearer, it's a
Right.
different vibe.
Yeah.
So maybe nasa labas talaga. But here, meron pero not that much.
Yeah, I feel the same way. Like, I mean, it's a rundown church, but you still have like the cross still right there, perfect. You know,
Yeah,
looks like it
yeah.
hasn't been touched at
Yeah,
all or
that's the
damaged.
thing. Everything is already damaged, but this one stays the same. So God is powerful.
Yeah.
That's what I can say. Thank you for coming with us, Edric. Kamusta yung pakiramdam mo?
Puro what the F moments eh. Alam mo, I'm really afraid of ghosts because of the movies, but I never thought that I'd experience it firsthand.
Something like that,
Yeah.
right?
Communicating with one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a nice experience
Nice
din.
experience. One for the books.
Thank you for coming with us. And again, wala kami masyado na experience dito sa loob. More on yung nasa labas. It just proves na whatever happens, a church and a chapel is still a church and a chapel. No matter how long siya ma-abandon, it is still the same. It is God's power in it. So, dito na namin tatapusin tong video na to. I hope you enjoyed. And Steve, before he goes back to the US,
Sige, ika-close ko na to. Yo! Sa lahat ng mga nagustuhan tong live natin ngayon, I mean tong reaction video natin kay Aga si King. Huwag niyong kakalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. At marami pa tayo kasi na-rate tayo eh. Papahinga na muna. Bye-bye!
Rolling cam. Check mic. Tara na. Madilim na kanto. Sumama ka. Biga news sa screen. Sabay sigaw. Kung mahina lobot mo, back out now. Hey! North, wreck, slow, pan-ilaw pula. Comment section bro. Huwag kang pumasok dyan. Ha! Sa likod may anino. Frame 1 to 2. Pause, zooming in. Nakita mo? cut, sabay tawa pilit. Okay pa ako guys. Promise, legit, pero puso rumaraga sa views.